Right, ladies and gents, if I can get everyone's attention now, please. So, just so you know, our mission today is attack red convoy. Once it has stopped, we are stealing 1 fuel cell per vehicle per stop. So if there's 3 vehicles that are stopped, we obviously take 3, 1 per vehicle.
Hi, boss.
Audio clap. What's up, guys? It's Matt here, aka Sado Gaming.
Yeah.
You're going to put us on the same thing?
What are you following me for? Well, you got it dirty already. How did you manage that? Sit down. I love the smell of diesel. Gotta love a good smell, a bit of diesel. Sounds nice.
Everyone's just going to fucking rush to
You sure you're just smelling it or you're not passing it on the floor?
Yeah. They'll be shooting at the guys. They're all 16 gig SD cards you give me. You're recording on higher than me.
Oh, that one's class.
Do me all day.
Good boy.
Yeah, shoot it's about the way my weekend is. Tony, Wait for the already flanking. Glory for the Emperor!
That's just show, is it? Love our casual pace.
Yeah.
Get ready.
Oh, I'm ready. Oh, I'm definitely ready. That's just one of the ones to shoot first. How will it do it?
Right, they're going to links.
Yeah, probably not good here, isn't
Right, they're going to be pushing links. Oh, we all had the same idea, was it links? Hey ho!
I know where you really go.
On my left! Josh, go medic him. I got the left. How are we looking, Chris?
Yeah, we're kind of all over.
Hey! Medic! Beautiful, thank you. Right, can we get to him up front?
Hey?
This one of us meant to be medic.
Well, one of ours, yeah. We don't know if we can get to him though. They seem to be there and there, so that kills us.
Go, go, go. Josh, just go. Get a medic, quick.
Grab him, just grab him and grab him. Grab him and grab him. Yeah, we're going to do to your right as well.
Red medic.
Bluey, I'm away, you've got at least two in front of you somewhere.
Go, 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 go. We've got this side.
No, this is a kill zone.
Josh, you're a fast one, aren't you?
Me?
No, he's got him.
He's down.
I've got that one on that left. I think we need to go further that way, Dee, don't we?
Probably try and push down there. And then put that bit covered.
Push right. What do you reckon, push right? He's sitting, but I can't see.
Go. Hi, James. There you go. What do you reckon? Down and over? Give it a go.
Oh, I'm not very good with banks. Oh no. Ooh. Ooh. Lob yourself down. Yeah. This is my Nick usually with me.
Good. Ready? Ready? I don't know if it's us in there or Red's in there. I had a hit.
There is someone over said this is just like 12 o'clock. I don't know if they're friendly.
Straight ahead of me, straight ahead. Yep. Right to left. Coming towards you guys. No, it's red, it's red, it's red. He's moved your left to right now. Oh, fairly sure she's still half pissed. Shall we go round to the right?
Pardon?
We push round to the right. These guys can keep him pinned. Straight ahead! Should we go around further more? Oi, keep him pinned. Keep him there. Got one. He's hit! On my right! Do you see him? Out there. There, you got him.
Is he alone now?
I think he was.
Is he a sniper?
He was. I don't know how he missed me though.
I'm fucking hot already.
Tell me
Yeah, I
about it.
was just sat right there and you didn't get it.
Yeah, I was in direct line of sight. That went out.
I haven't even fucking run yet.
Have we cleared out the links? Right, what's left at the links?
Communication.
Right, right, ready, we've got it. We'll do it instead, shall we?
Yeah.
Right, them two guys there now gone out.
Right, so we're clear.
Should be clear, but there's got that guy in that white still, isn't there? And we don't know if he's alone or partnered up. If you know what I mean.
Yeah, we ain't having any shots since we went, so.
Now we've got the choice of push it and clear it, or go back on ourselves and try to start clearing the other way.
We're here, we might as well make an impression. Do you want to push up to that tree?
I think we've got it. Oh, that's blazing ours. Blue at links, blue at links. Colour at links! That side must be clear. Josh, shout colour at links. Shout colour. Right, hang on. It's please. We might just push that out now. Right, why you get guys at links? What's the comms? Ours or theirs? Is that going to be that? That's got to be ours, surely.
I didn't think we were that far up. So that, where's Tony? Tony's in the front.
Yeah, hang on. We started bottom end, remember? We're heading back on ourselves, aren't we?
Are we?
Yeah, their respawns that way. I'm coming! It's your armband. Jump it on. I'm not that tall. That's all.
Straight in front. The shot comes from straight in front. He's going to get shot in a second.
Move. Breathe in, quick.
Well done. Just the shot's coming from straight over there, mate.
Alright, we've got Tony in front of us here. Right, that's blue. Shout out blues. Blue! Shout colours. Blue, blue!
From over there.
Woo! Josh, you're 2 o'clock. He's up in there, that green shelter thing, isn't he?
I think so, yeah. How are we going to get there?
Huh?
How are we going to play it?
That's the most good shout, I don't know. Any ideas?
Whatever involves the least movement.
Unfortunately, I think this one's going to have to involve more. Contact left. 11 o'clock. Is it all in black? Is it all in black? Another one, another one. I gotta check the armbands quickly.
Huh?
Did you check the armbands? Might be blues. We need to clear that one out there first. Right, I'm taking a move. That way. Is that blue? I'm going to go that way.
Yeah, they're not doing much pushing it. Is it all from over that way?
Yeah. Ready? That's police that just shut out.
How far are we pushed? I think we're just caught up on the lengths on the...
No, but this is our side of the,
Yeah.
our side. We need to go back that way. Reds are that in, aren't they?
Yeah,
Then they got behind us due to the vehicles.
Yeah.
Right, that way is there?
We just defending this because there's a lot...
Yeah, because they're pushing that way, so we block it round. Yeah, we pushed back on ourselves. Fuck it, see what goes on at containers?
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
I think they're all in the metro anyway.
I bet there'll probably be an echo in there, aren't they? Take this left. Oop, fuck. Found the dip.
Dropping it.
Huh?
Bit of a drop in it.
That was a bit of a drop. Blues! What's the score? What's the score over this end?
So
What's going on this end?
Guarding the laptop, I did see a red go by, but I think he had both hands up, so I assume he's hurt.
Yeah, that's good enough for me.
But I saw a red go by, and he had both hands up, so I assume he was hit. But it's pretty quiet from that side. Well, from there.